Professor Myers, quanto è importante l'utilizzo della genomica?
How much is genomic important to understand human health and disease?
So genomics is a relatively new technology or discipline that allows you researchers to look at all of our genes at one time. Rather than one gene at a time, we can look at all of them simultaneously. This allows us to identify causes of diseases. It allows us to interpret or to diagnose and monitor disease even after you've been diagnosed or treated. Sometimes genomic markers can allow you to determine whether the disease is coming back, for instance. So there are many, many applications of using genomics in health and disease. So first of all, I'm very happy to be here in Salerno at this conference and appreciate the invitation. I plan to discuss how we identify causes of diseases that have been undiagnosed for many, many years, especially in children, but also in adults. I also will talk about how we can use and measure our immune system by using genomics to determine whether we have a disease or not, and also to monitor that disease. This is in a new method called measurement of the immune repertoire. I also will describe how we have discovered epigenetic markers, something called DNA methylation, that allows us to determine whether someone has kidney cancer or not. This is really important because people get kidney cancer and have no symptoms until the disease has spread throughout the body and it's too late to treat it. So it's very valuable to do early detection. This is a so-called liquid biopsy. And then finally, one last story I will tell is about using genomics to determine which drug is best to treat a woman with breast cancer. This is called pharmacogenomics. It's a relatively new field, and we all respond differently to different drugs, and this new approach allows us to determine which is going to be best for a particular person with a particular disease.